In this will share how you can earn, any beginner can earn $2.8 million online without experience, technical knowledge, website, mailing list, or even social media following. And it can be done from anywhere on the planet, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, cryptocurrency. Sounds good? Well, this is a customer's training, but if you're watching this video from YouTube, then you are watching the recorded version of our paid training. So you're basically getting a paid training completely free. Do we think we deserve a like and a share? Please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and especially your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. And subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. Before we begin, today's money motivation, you see this screenshot, $82,951. This is good money for a lot of people. In fact, it's good for us as well. But interestingly, money is not the most important number here. The most important number is these hops. 80,448 hops made us this money. So what are these hops? These are the clicks on our affiliate links by our visitors. So how do we get visitors? The answer is simple: videos. Yes, we make videos, but on our other channels, we don't use camera and microphone because it's not easy to make a lot of videos using camera and microphone. It's so exhausting. So we use our artificial intelligence software, Epic, which is what you are seeing at the moment. This is the dashboard of Epic. Epic makes videos using image, links, and text. Epic completely replaces camera and microphone. You don't need to write script. You don't need to speak on microphone because Epic writes his scripts using artificial intelligence. Just put any text here, use any of these buttons, and your script is ready by the AI. And then take that script, go to the audio section, click this text to audio section, put your text here, click this button, and the software will turn that text into natural sounding voiceover. So turning text into voice is an awesome, scalable, and completely beginner friendly feature for Epic. Epic allows us to make bite-sized videos. You see on the right hand side, these are small videos using image and text. We can save the campaigns, come back later and add new sections. Oh, by the way, when you click this add new button, from this drop down menu, you can access all our videos. These are all done for you videos for our Epic user. By the way, Epic is free. Link is in the description. Go grab Epic for free. When you are happy with your video, simply click the render button and the video is ready in the background. Download it, upload it on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and get customers. Now the question is, are all viewers customers? The answer is no. But we know how to only attract customers. People who are serious about solving their problems online and they are ready to pay money with their credit card for it. In fact, we select the people who have already spent money and are looking for help with their purchases. So I'll give you an example. By the way, before we go to this example, what you see here on the screen, this presentation, these images, this whole campaign, this video is also available for our Epic users, completely done for you. So if you get access to Epic for free today, you can get access to this video as well, and you can use it to start making money from today. Okay, let's go back to finding customers. So in these two screenshots, you see the left one, this one shows the price of ClickFunnels. It's a funnel building software. What is funnel? Well, that's a story for another video. For this video, I'm assuming you know about sales funnel. In short, sales funnels is essential to make a lot of money from your products or offer or services. And ClickFunnels makes it super easy. Now the price of ClickFunnels is not cheap at all. $97 per month for basic access and $297 per month for premium for platinum access. Now do you understand? The ClickFunnels users are not broke people. They have money to spend and they spend money with their credit cards only to access to a funnel builder software. So they are elite customers. Helping them solve their problems equals building relationship with serious customers, and they will buy a lot more from you even if you don't try to sell. Just show them that you have potential to help them with the information they're looking for, and they will buy from your recommendation. That's exactly how we make money, and that's exactly how we get clicks on our videos and links. Okay, back to ClickFunnels customer. Now if you look at YouTube, look at this number. The word ClickFunnels has 951,000 searches per month. So a lot of people are looking for ClickFunnels related questions and problems. Either they are already customers or they are looking to buy ClickFunnels. They are also customers. Now, if you look on YouTube about problems related to ClickFunnels, then you will find a lot of videos talking about problems and solutions of ClickFunnels. These are directly customer-oriented problems. If you look at Google, you'll find a lot of articles, a lot of comparisons with the ClickFunnels competitors, and you will find problems and solutions around ClickFunnels. Plus, if you join ClickFunnels official Facebook group, you will find a lot of customers asking questions about ClickFunnels. All these will give you detailed insight about the problems and questions of customers. Now, how do you get these customers? Don't waste too much time, too much effort, and too much money on making long videos. Make 1 minute long short videos using Epic. If you look for ClickFunnels #shorts on YouTube, you'll find hundreds of videos getting hundreds and thousands of views. These are the views from ClickFunnels customers. Make this kind of 1 minute long videos and publish on YouTube as YouTube Short. And YouTube will send you hundreds or thousands, if not millions of viewers and customers. Why is that? Because YouTube is promoting short videos to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. This is the best chance to take advantage from YouTube's promotion. Now, how do you make money from your viewers? They are serious viewers, and once you give them good information, they will like you, they will follow you, and eventually, whenever you ask them to buy something from your link as an affiliate, they will buy. But it has to be something relevant. It can be graphic design software, it can be copywriting software, it can be your service, maybe copywriting service, maybe content creation service, maybe graphic design service, but they will buy from you. There are lots of ClickBank offers, Warrior Plus offers, JVZoo offers that are easy to find, easy to get approval. Grab your link and put them on your video descriptions and your first comment. And if you're making videos for TikTok and Instagram, put your links in your bio. And in the video, mention that the link is in the bio, in the first comment, or in the description. And ask your viewers if they choose to buy, they should buy from your link. And trust me, a lot of people will buy. This is exactly how we get clicks, and clicks generate money. Completely passive affiliate earning. Now you might be asking, Mosh, where is $2.8 million you are talking about? Here is your $2.8 million. Go to Udemy. Udemy is a place where people sell their bundle of videos in the form of online course. And Udemy has a 100 million monthly customers. All those customers are inside Udemy, and 20% customers come from Google every single month. These people know that they have to buy online course in order to learn skills. If you search with funnel on Udemy, you will find 1,661 results. This is huge. A lot of courses. You can directly promote them if you want. Now, in order to make $2.8 million, you need to make your own course. How can you make your own course if you don't have any experience? Well, it's not a problem at all. Go to these courses and see what they're teaching. They're not teaching anything new. When you research about ClickFunnels and funnels, you will already know everything about what they are teaching. Also, you can check their modules, go to YouTube and search for those modules and find them, learn about them. Then use Epic and make your own video. Well, basically, when you make videos for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, just bundle those videos and upload them on Udemy. That will be your course. Tell your video visitors that there is a link to your Udemy course in the description, in the first comment, and in the bio. A lot of people will visit and they will love to buy from you because they know your content already. Your contents are helpful. So this kind of thing will happen. Look at this. This course was sold to 33,485 students at the price point of $84.99. And together they generated $2.8 million. Now, I cannot guarantee that this amount of money was really generated, or some of the students came through free access to the product, but definitely a lot of money were generated from this course. And yes, hundreds, if not thousands of people on Udemy are doing this. And you can do it too. The interesting part here is you don't really have to do any extra work. You're going to bundle the same videos you're making for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and upload the bundle on Udemy. Udemy will send you traffic, and a lot of traffic and customers will come from Google. So that's it, $2.8 million using 3 to 5 minutes of your time for making a video using Epic. But they all start from you're getting access to Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description, go grab it. So did you like our video? We wanted to help you learn how to make money online, easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And our goal is to help 100 million people through this channel learn how to make money online, and you can participate in this noble mission. All you have to do is to hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines so everyone else can get help. And trust me, for sharing good information, helpful information, they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money online, and hundreds of thousands of people make money online, and you can do it too. Start today. Go grab Epic, like, share, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. This way, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.